Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. Well, I'm welcoming you all to yet another interesting hairstyling video tutorial. Aren't you excited for the same? So just grab your all the accessories that belongs to your wardrobe to just decorate your hair. Let's see what interesting hairstyling patterns are we going to watch today. By taking small partitions of hair from either side and making these lovely beautiful patterns, crisscrossing the hair like this and taking it and rolling it in this way, making pleats out of it and joining it together with the help of your tic-tac clips, and here's the result. Isn't it looking really beautiful? Now again make the patterns like this that we have made earlier. Make the pleats on either side and join it like this and roll it in this way and then secure it with the help of clutches. Let's proceed further and let's see which bun style are we going to make now. And here's the pattern that we are creating. Again we are making the pleats out of all the hair that is left behind and then rolling it in this way and securing it with the help of your beads. Let's proceed further and see what other hairstyles are we going to make. Take the crisscross patterns like this and just tackle it in this way and secure it with the help of your clutches. Now make a bun-like pattern, a clutch like this, and secure it like this. Again make the patterns that we have created earlier and crisscrossing it in this way, make the pleats out of the extra hair left behind and then make a bun out of it, and you can always secure it with the help of your favorite clutches. Isn't it looking simply pretty? Yes, it is looking. Now what we are going to do is making a rolling your hair in this way and secure it with the help of a decorative clip. Now just take the hair like this, make lovely beautiful patterns in this way, and then what are we going to do next? Let's see the end result. Keep on making these beautiful patterns and then secure it with the help of your decorative beads. Again we are going to make the similar patterns like this, and by taking the extra hair making a pleat and then rolling it in this way. These lovely hairstyles are definitely going to outshine you from others. Again we are going to make some beautiful thin partitions of hair and make a pleat out of it and in a zigzag pattern, and out of the extra hair left in the middle make the patterns like this and roll it in the form of a bow. Isn't it looking simply pretty? Yes, it is looking. Now what are we going to do now? Take the partitions like this and make a rolling pattern in this way on either side of the beautiful neatly folded hair and fold it in this way and then secure it with the help of your decorative clutches. Now next we are going to have this beautiful pattern by rolling your thick pleat in this way and securing it with the help of clutches like this. Isn't it looking simply pretty? Let's proceed further and see what other hairstyles are we going to make. We are making some beautiful patterns in this hairstyling video tutorial and then grabbing all the accessories, making some patterns like this in this way and rolling the hair into here and there and then making and securing it with the help of lovely beautiful clutches.